Cooper with DSI Automotive, today doing a quick unboxing of the mile marker RHINO PULL 1000 winch, part number 71-1000. Upon opening the box, you will find the user manual. The first accessory located on the bottom of the styrofoam is a hook strap. Moving on to the left, we find the battery. These three lights on the bottom are the LED power indicator lights. Also included is a tow hook. Up in the top right here, you will find a 12.5 foot remote wire with the remote. Now you can plug this wire into the remote itself, or you can go wireless and just have the remote on you. Featured on the remote is a power button, a winch out button, a winch in button, and a red LED. In the bottom right here, we are unboxing the charger. There are LEDs on the charger that will signify the life of the battery. Now we are going to lift the styrofoam off to unveil the winch itself. Once the winch is out of the box, you can take a look here at the stopping plate and rope. On the side here, you'll be able to find the red power switch. The back side of the winch will have your swiveling anchor hook. The aqua-colored button will be your direction switch, while the black button underneath the handle will be your variable speed switch. This winch weighs under 17 pounds and has a rated line pull of 1,000 pounds. It also features a 39-foot synthetic rope, and the LED display provides feedback at a quick glance.